Hello, my friends, it's me, Dylan Potter 101 here, and I got some 4 special guest stars. As you can see, I am a really big fan of Harry Potter, and some big news. Because of Angry Blue Whale, he said, you could probably do PS3 videos, but I'm not sure if I could do that because I'm on the last level and something, which is really hard. I don't want to go through any of those. Anyway, I'm probably gonna do Harry Potter wands. And, okay, so here are the special guest stars. Neville Longbottom. Okay. Okay. There we go. Jacket. Fenrir Greyback. A little tiny cross in here. So jacket.
Why don't you use his hair for the werewolf?
One of my favorite characters, Severus Snape. Actually, my first character is
You mean your
Harry
mom's
Potter.
favorite character?
Severus Snape is my second favorite character. And not my ultra duper favorite. That was Lego. Voldemort! Yay! It's Voldemort! You cannot see kind of at all because this camera sucks. There's green. You can see it. He has yellow teeth. And there we go. Please subscribe and make sure that you guys like my videos and try to make up a nickname for my little sister who is also annoying. Alright, bye!